Hello friends, I am Saurabh Kapadia and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel The Learning Brain. So friends, in this video we are going to continue our previous topic, which is a directory rules the France. So friends, before continuing this video we will recover our previous topic. In our previous topic, we had studied about the Jacobin Club and the Louis XVI and the National Assembly and the Convention, and what was Jacobin Club when we studied in our previous topic. And Jacobin Club, which was we can say a political club which was ruled by the Maximilien Robespierre, which emerged from the people who belong to the third estate. So in this video we will continue after the topic the Reign of Terror. In our previous topic we studied about this topic, and now we will continue our this topic, which is a directory rules the France. In our previous video we studied that Maximilien Robespierre was himself guillotined because of his severe policies and because of his uncontrolled rule by the Maximilien Robespierre. And now, since the Maximilien Robespierre has ended, so who will rule the France? Who will rule the France in this condition? Because the power is never in vacuum. Because we studied that Maximilien Robespierre was guillotined and the king was executed. So now no one is here to rule the France. And who will rule the France in this condition? So a new group, we can say middle class, emerged to rule the France. And now we will study a directory rules the France, as the Maximilien Robespierre was guillotined, which led to the fall of Jacobin Club. The fall of Jacobin Club led to the rise of wealthier middle class, and the middle class then wrote a new constitution. The constitution was introduced, and there were so many points we can say in the constitution which were emerged. The new constitution did not include the vote to non-propertied section of society. After the fall of Jacobin Club, we will study the rise of wealthier middle class, and the wealthier middle class wrote a new constitution, and the new constitution did not give the voting right to non-propertied section of society. It means those people who did not had any property, and those people who had the property and were active citizens, those people who gave high taxes were given the right to vote. Non-propertied section of society were not given the right to vote, and it provided two elected legislative council. Now what were the two elected legislative council? In our previous videos we studied about the National Assembly, where there was only one legislative council. The Maximilien Robespierre as the Jacobin Club, which was only one legislative council, but now there were two legislative council. It means law making bodies, as in India there are two, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Similarly there were two legislative council, and then these legislative councils choose 5 executive members. As in India, our council of minister, or we can say cabinet ministers, are the main executive. In the same way, these 5 members were the executive for the France. They were the law implementing bodies. To reduce the concentration of power in one man executive, as under the Jacobin Club. As under the Jacobin Club, Maximilien Robespierre was the leader of the France, and he had all the power of making laws and implementing laws. So he took decisions as much as he wanted, and due to which people suffered a lot. But now the decision was taken that the rule and the law making power will be to the 5 members, 5 executive members, and these members were chosen by, or we can say elected by, the 2 legislative council. As there are 2 legislative council, and they choose 5 executive members. 5 executive members. We know legislative council are the law making bodies, and the executive are the law implementing bodies. It means those laws which will be made in the legislative council will be implemented by these 5 members. But there was still some problem. What was the problem? The problem was political instability. How the political instability was happening? The political instability was happening because of the internal conflicts between the 2 legislative councils. Both the councils were fighting, or we can say conflicting, or there were so many disputes arising between these 2 clubs, or we can say councils, these 2 councils, which led to many political instability. But why? As I told you now, there were political instability due to the internal conflicts, and which paved the way for the rise of a military dictator, Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte was a military dictator. Initially, Napoleon Bonaparte was military person, we can say a person who served in the army of France. But when he saw or noticed that there is no one in the France who can rule properly, so he himself decided to rule the France, and he took the power in his own hands and ruled the country. So here we noticed one thing. Still, when there were 2 legislative councils, we can say the France was under the people's rule, where the people were choosing the 2 legislative council. But as the Napoleon Bonaparte seized the whole power in his own hands, we can say undertook all the power in his own hands, he again revived the conservative regime, because here again he started ruling the France according to his own will. And with this, all the story portion of this chapter ended, and now we will study what were the themes of this chapter. There were two things which can be derived from the French Revolution, which are events and ideals. We have studied about all the events such as the attack on the Bastille Fort, the event of 1789, 14 July 1789, in the tennis court oath, subsistence crisis, in the philosophers' ideas, Jacobin Club, and so many other things. But what were the ideas which emerged out of the French Revolution? The ideas which can be derived from the French Revolution are the ideas of freedom, equality before law. It means all the people before the law are equal, and fraternity. Fraternity means friendship. These 3 ideas were the main ideas which were prompting the people to fight against the conservative regime, or we can say the fight against the king rule to get the democracy. They wanted freedom, equality before law, and fraternity, due to which they were fighting. And these ideas were the inspiring ideas that motivated political movement in France and the rest of Europe during the upcoming century. And these 3 ideas were the main ideas which were emerging from the French Revolution. And as we can notice here, the French Revolution has ended now, but these main ideas were still remembered by the people in the next century. As we have studied, Napoleon Bonaparte has undertaken all the power in his own hands, but these ideas are still in the minds of people. And later in the next century, in the 10th class, we will study in 1848. In 1848, France became independent country, but from 1789 to 1848, this is the long freedom struggle for the people of France. The people instilled the ideas, these 3 ideas which motivated the people to fight for the democracy and get a country. these three ideas. 19 as here we studied Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte came into power from 1796 around, and he was defeated in the Battle of Waterloo in 1813. And after his defeat, the France again came into the rule of king. And from 1813 to 1830, around 1830, a king ruled in the France. And from 1830 to 1848, there was so many upheaval, or we can say rebellions, which were arising by the people. The people were revolting against the king due to these three ideas. So these three ideas spread to the whole Europe, and these three ideas spreaded to whole Europe and motivated not only the people of Europe but the people of whole world. As after the French Revolution, we will study, there were so many revolutions in other countries like Germany, India, and so many other countries. And with this topic ended. And now in our next video we will study about, did women had a revolution? Thank you very much. If you want to watch this video, please like, share and subscribe to our video. And if you want to watch this video even in the Hindi version, so you can watch our Hindi version video. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.